Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking hardware and Windows features so your VM runs reliably. First, reboot into BIOS and enable VTX or AMDV. This unlocks virtualization. Once done, open Turn Windows features on or off and enable Hyper-V plus Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor, then restart. Next, download or locate the OS ISO you will install. Make sure it matches your license. These steps give you the platform and image required to build a VM that performs well. You'll now build the virtual machine step by step. In Hyper-V Manager, create a new virtual machine and pick Generation 2 for Windows 11. This enables UEFI and Secure Boot. Allocate memory and virtual processors based on your host resources. For typical use, assign 4 GB and 2 cores, but scale as needed. Attach the ISO to the virtual DVD, choose a VHDX disk, and bind the VM to an external virtual switch so the guest has network access. Once configured, you're ready to start the installer. You finish by installing the guest OS inside the VM and then adding integration tools for mouse, clipboard, and drivers. After installation, install Hyper-V integration services or the vendor guest tools, enable dynamic memory if desired, and configure checkpoints and backups. Make shared folders and display settings to match your workflow. If something goes wrong, first confirm BIOS virtualization remained enabled, then ensure Hyper-V services are running. As a quick fix, toggle generation and secure boot firmware settings and reattach the ISO.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.